Now, so in my last video, I just showed how to make a Cat5e internet cable. Very simple. So I'm just going to now show you how to make a Cat6 internet cable. So just quickly run over the bits you need. You need your strippers. Ideally, use a little screwdriver or a pen. I use a screwdriver. You need your snips, your crimping tool, and you're going to get your plugs. Okay, so again, you want to give yourself a bit of excess, a few twists. Okay, pop it off. Sometimes it can be a little stiff. There we go. Now, the only difference really, there's a few differences. A bit of plastic, then the string, and then the main difference between a Cat5e, like an internal cable, and an external cable. Obviously, the outer bit is waterproof, but you have got a little plastic bit here on the cable that we need to get rid of. Right, so we're going to bring our orange down first. We'll bring our blue across. We'll bring our brown forward, our green left. And I kind of sometimes just push these down a bit so that I can cut off as much of this little plastic bit as possible. Okay, now I'm just going to open these out. Doesn't particularly matter which order you do it in. So open these out. This is kind of the most tedious part of making it up. Okay, and the last one. Okay, so we've untwisted all these, and then just the order again. So I don't know if you're going to see very clearly, but this little crimping tool I got on Temu, it has the order. The T568B, orange or white orange, green and white blue, blue and white green, brown and white brown. Okay, that has the colours on it. So now I'm going to straighten these out. Alright, so you can go in any real order, but you know, I'm going to start this, go work my way around. Okay, so straighten these out as much as you can. The straighter the better, the easier it'll be then in a minute when we're pushing it through. Okay. Straighten all of these out. Okay, so we're going to join them up here now. So we're going to get our orange and white, then our orange, then we're going to get our green and white, then our blue, keeping these all together, blue and white, then our green, then our brown and white, and then our brown. Okay, so I'm going to use my finger just to kind of keep these all together. Okay, sometimes you give a little twist at the top. Right, now I'm going to get my crimping tool. So you see again, they're not completely straight, so we're going to get our crimping tool. And I'm going to just do a little cut here. I might do another little cut below it. Now I'm going to grab my plug. I'm going to keep these nice and tight together. I'm going to grab my plug. I'm going to make sure that the clippy thing is facing down. And again, push through. I'd always recommend, they're the best ones. And then I'm going to push the cable through and push it through. Again, I'm going to just double check the order. Orange or orange, green and white blue, blue and white green, brown and white brown. Okay, now we're going to, because there's a bit of excess, I'm going to kind of hold the top. I'm going to pull it up here as much as I can, just so the cables don't twist or move. And then we're going to push this in and around halfway into the cable, into the rj45 plug. Okay, yeah, so I want to have it generally going past that little line there. Okay, so a little push in. Okay, now I'm just going to get my snips. I'm going to just snip a bit of excess here before I get my crimping tool. And we're going to give it a little cut. Bit of excess there from the last one. Push that in. and crib. Have a little glance. Yeah, give it one more little go. There we go, a few little bits extra dropped off there. Yeah, there we are, perfect. Okay, so you can see there, we have it all in the order and it's good to go. Okay.